Alright guys, we are back here with the knee joint for the robot, and as you can see here, it goes in correctly, and that's not the problem though with the product. The problem is that even though you can put the different parts on and it would be aligned, when you try to put it in, you probably put the motors into place. And this is the same problem in both kits. Alright, anyway, I will show you on this one, the white kit. You're supposed to be able to put it in and then push it all the way in. And it doesn't. As you can see here, this does not go all the way in to where you want it to be able to go into. Push really hard, but I think I'm going to snap the thing and it's going to break, which you don't want to do. But this part here should be able to fit all the way in there, same as you would be able to do it in all the other pieces that actually work. But because you can't do that, then this part here, when you try to put this part of the joint over it, it will not align correctly. You see, this part would be on here, and then this part is supposed to be going in there, and it won't align. Because as you can see here, it's not perfectly straight or perpendicular to this part. It's going this way, so that would never work. So there's the other problem that we have, and this is problem number 2 of defective parts. Now, of course, that means that there's at least 1, 2, 3, 4 defective parts there, plus the other ones that we talked about in the other video. And then I'm sure there's more, I just haven't gotten through everything yet. So, but that shows you the second big problem with the kit and the motors not being able to fit in the way they should be. Anyway, see you in the next video.